Automotive electrical questions and answers. 1. What is the function of a car battery? Provides electrical energy to start the engine and power accessories when engine is off. 2. What is the normal voltage of a fully charged 12-volt battery with engine off? 12.6 volts. 3. What is the charging voltage range of an alternator? 13.7 volts to 14.7 volts. 4. What does CCA mean on a battery? Cold cranking amps, the amount of current a battery can deliver at 0 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. 5. What is the purpose of the starter motor? Cranks the engine to start combustion. 6. What causes a slow cranking engine? Weak battery, bad starter, poor connections, or thick engine oil. 7. What is the function of the ignition coil? Converts 12-volt battery voltage to high voltage to fire spark plugs. 8. What is the difference between AC and DC in a vehicle? Vehicle electrical system uses DC. AC is converted to DC by the alternator. 9. What is the function of the alternator diodes? Convert AC voltage from alternator stator into DC voltage. 10. What causes battery drain when the car is off? Parasitic draw, interior light left on, faulty module or old battery. 11. What is the purpose of a fuse in an automotive circuit? Protects circuits from overcurrent and prevents wiring damage. 12. What is the difference between a relay and a fuse? A fuse is a one-time protection device. A relay is an electrically operated switch. 13. What does OBD2 stand for? Onboard Diagnostics version 2, used to read engine and emission codes. 14. What sensor measures crankshaft position? Crankshaft position sensor CKP. 15. What is the function of the ECU/ECM? Controls fuel injection, ignition timing, emissions, and engine sensors. 16. What causes headlights to dim when idling? Weak alternator, bad battery, or high electrical load at low RPM. 17. What is the purpose of ground wires in a car? Provide return path for current to complete the circuit and prevent electrical noise. 18. What voltage does a typical car sensor operate on? 5 volts for most sensors. Some actuators use 12 volts. 19. What is the function of the voltage regulator? Maintains alternator output voltage within safe limits. 20. What causes a no-start condition but lights work? Dead battery, bad starter, faulty ignition switch, or immobilizer issue. 21. What is the purpose of spark plug wires? Deliver high voltage from ignition coil to spark plugs. 22. What does CAN bus mean in modern vehicles? Controller area network. Allows modules to communicate with each other. 23. What is the function of the MAP sensor? Measures intake manifold pressure to calculate engine load for fuel mixture. 24. What causes a check engine light for an O2 sensor? Faulty sensor, exhaust leak, wiring problem, or catalytic converter issue. 25. What is the purpose of the blower motor resistor? Controls fan speed by changing resistance to the blower motor. 26. What is voltage drop testing used for? Checks for resistance in wires, connections, and components to find bad circuits. 27. What is the function of the ABS wheel speed sensor? Sends wheel speed data to ABS module to prevent wheel lockup. 28. What causes alternator whine in speakers? Poor alternator diodes or missing ground causing electrical interference. 29. What is the purpose of the body control module? BCM. Controls interior lights, power windows, door locks, and other body electrical systems. 30. What is the difference between series and parallel circuits in automotive wiring? Series has one path. If one component fails, all stop. Parallel has multiple paths. Components work independently.